Hey, this is Conway Detailing. We're at Charleston International Airport, Atlantic Aviation Yard. Just took care of this 60-foot Gulfstream. Did a airplane wash and wax on it, hand wash and wax. As you can see, it's clean all the way around. Shiny, got all the bugs off. All the windows are clean, ready to go for tomorrow. Pilot won't have any problems. As you can see, it's the Gulfstream G200. Private jet, privately owned, obviously. There's the rest of the Atlantic Aviation Yard. And the Gulfstream. Everything's clean and detailed. It's always my saying, but it's a true one. Everything's very clean underneath. Very clean, all the bugs off, wheels, all the way around. There's the underneath. I know it's getting dark out, but got all the jet fuel remains off of the back of the jets. Everything was cleaned up. There was a lot of soot in the back there, and then up on the bottom of the wing here. Took care of all that. All cleaned up. It's ready to go. Ready for the owner to take to the next destination, wherever that may be. If you need any services, any airports, automotive, marine detailing, we go to marinas, come to your house, completely mobile. Conway Detailing, 843-822-2088. Thank you.